Hi guys and welcome to my vlog. Today I am going to do a beauty vlog for all of you. I am going to unbox some beauty products and tell about the beauty products and everything, how I like it, how it works, what is the need of it. And here I am having the product from Nykaa. So this will be a Nykaa haul for all of you guys. So let's start unboxing. First of the boxes, I am having 3 boxes guys. As you can see, I am having 3 boxes. 2 is small and 1 is very huge. So let's start unboxing. It is packed very nicely guys, very nicely. So let's unbox it. So it is like this. It is all in paper wraps, and here I have a receipt which I will not show you because it has my address and all in it. So in first box I got the Pro Concealer, Inside Pro Concealer. Here you can see it, the Inside Pro Concealer. It comes in different shades and my shade is 01 Sun Beige Ghee or whatever you called it. Here you can see it. So let's see it, how it looks. I was really in a need of a concealer guys. This is the look of the concealer. I was really in a need of a concealer. I never used a concealer, but when I visited my sister and I used her concealer, I thought that it is very necessary and important to have a concealer because it's really removes your under eye baggage and helps to enhance your under eyes, so you should look more better with your makeup on. So this is the concealer. Now let's move to the next box. This is the next box guys. This is also a small box. Right now Bebo is not with me, that's why I am able to do this haul. Otherwise she is really into my stuff, makeup stuff. She loves makeup stuff guys. As she is a girl, so she will love it. Husband is watching some TV outside, so if you can hear it. It is also packed in a bubble wrap. So let's open the bubble wrap. And here is the Miss Claire Blooming Face Powder. This is a translucent powder guys, as you can see. The color and the shade is this. Here comes Bebo with me. So this is very necessary guys for makeup. Very necessary because this helps to set your makeup very nicely. After doing makeup, please use translucent powder to set your makeup. So I have bought this Miss Claire one, and let's see how it works. Let's open the bigger box guys. Bebo, मुँह हटा.
Okay.
Let's see.
Let's see.
Oh my god guys, this is a huge box. Okay, I think this box contains a lot of stuff. So first I can see is the Blur Perfection Makeup Primer from Lakme. Baby, side ho jao. Lakme. This is used before your foundation. This looks like this. I got a mini version of it. First I will use it and then I will decide that I have to buy the bigger version or not. My sister uses it, so I know it is a very good one. So you have to use it before your makeup. The primer is very necessary for your skin. So always use a primer before applying your foundation. Now this is again, I got a thing in a bubble wrap packet. Ebo is unboxing for me. Let's open this. I need some scissors, guys. Okay, here I got the thing that I really needed. This is the Maybelline New York Master Chrome by Face Studio Metallic Highlighter Illuminator Metallic Hue in 050 Rose Golden shade. This is a very nice highlighter. You can use this highlighter on your cheekbones and on your eyelids also. This is a very nice product, guys. I have listened very high rated things, very high rated reviews from for this product. So I got it in my mail, so I will use it and tell you how I like it. Now then, I have a Vega makeup brush, and this is used for blush on, or you can use it for highlighters also. This is the Vega one. Okay, baby, don't touch. Now what I got is my foundation. This is a full coverage foundation by Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte Poreless, and the shade is 220 because this shade is my shade. As you can see, this is the full coverage foundation, guys, and I like this foundation very much and love this foundation because it is very good for a good makeup. If you are attending a wedding or if you are attending any party or anything like that, paper is here, guys, anything like that, so you can use it. It is a very nice product. Next I got the Maybelline New York Colossal Mascara 2x volume lash up to 24 hours instant volume brush. This looks like this. And I love mascara, guys. I love to use mascara. So let me show you. This is the package, as you can see. Very lovely mascara. Now I got a daily BB cream from Garnier. This is the daily BB cream from Garnier that I got for using on a day-to-day makeup when I am vlogging or when I am going outside for shopping or something like that. This is a very nice thing. Then I got a lip color from Nykaa. It is Racy Rose 04M. Racy Rose 04M. This is a very pretty and nice color, as you can see. So I got this for the wedding purpose. Now let's move forward and see what I got. Then I got this LA Color setting spray because I thought that if I am doing my wedding makeup by myself, I need all the products that the parlor Didi uses. So they uses the setting spray also. for your makeup to stay longer and longer. That's why I have got this LA color setting spray. Okay, the next thing that I got is again in a bubble wrap. I don't know what it is. Okay, this is a blush on, and I really wanted the Fit Me Maybelline New York blush on. This is color 30. Bebo, move. This is color 30. I really love this blush on because it has a little bit of shimmer in it, and it is very nice, very handy. You can put it in your handbag or in your small wallet or whatever. Bebo, move, baby, move. So you can use it whenever you want to. A little bit of highlight on your face is always good. So this is the blush on. Now last but not the least thing, ये सब डिब्बे में डाल दो. I got a package free with all my stuff that I got, and this is the Lakme 9 to 5 natural matte lipstick infused with aloe vera oil. This is new for me also. Let's see what is the color, guys. The inside packaging looks like this. Oh my god, the color is very pretty. It is a magenta type color. Very nice, I love it. So these were the products, guys, that I got for Nykaa. I ordered it and the total costing of is 3,000. So I don't think it is very over the budget or very under the budget. For the products like this, companies like this, Maybelline, Master Chrome, Miss Claire, Garnier, LA Colors, it is very good price. So this was the Nykaa haul. The Nykaa haul is still not completed. There is more to go, so I will add more to the slides. So stay tuned and watch my Nykaa haul vlog for more products to see. Okay guys, so I am back with the Nykaa haul and I am going to do the second part of this haul. I am having scissors in my hand and having my Nykaa box with me. This is from Nykaa, guys. The box is from Nykaa. So going to unbox this and see what I have got. Bebo has again come. Bebo is always there in my vlogs. Let's unbox it and see what I have got today in this box. I think it will be eyeshadow palettes because I have ordered that only. So let's see. Oh, the box opens like this. Bebo will start giving me. Bebo, sit down. Give me. Okay, first I got a bubble wrap. Let's open this. Bebo, wait. Okay, let's see what it is. Okay guys, it is the Swiss Beauty Ultimate Shadow Palette. As you can see, this is the Swiss Beauty Shadow Palette. I'm just unboxing everything and showing it to you guys. The shade is 02. This palette is very lovely, guys. I love all the colors. It has some shimmer colors also, some dark, some nude. and some normal colors also. That's why I love this. This will be perfect. This shimmer one, guys, will be perfect for any wedding festivities. Next I got that Beppo has opened is the Swiss Beauty. This is a liquid eyeshadow. This is a liquid eyeshadow, guys. It just gives your eyes a brightened up look, and I just love the shade that I have ordered. I will really apply this in my vlogs, and whenever I will apply this, I will show you that I have applied it and how it is looking. You can tell me. Now let's move to next. Next again I got a bubble wrap. Here I got the bronzing palette, guys, the contouring palette. Here you can see the shade is 01. Let me show you this palette also. This palette is also very beautiful, guys. There is a highlighter, there is a bronzer, and there is a blush on. I forgot the name. These are very nice colors, guys. Swiss Beauty is a very nice brand. My sister started using it. That's why I also started using it, and it is a very nice brand. Very nice bronzer. Now let's head towards the next package. Again I got a bubble wrap one. This is very nice that they do give you the stuff in the bubble wrap, so your stuff will not get broken on anything. Okay, this is the second thing that I got. This is the lipstick palette from Swiss Beauty. बेबो बॉक्स लो, बॉक्स में और भी है, and the color is 01. I'll show you the palette. मिला? दो. This is how the palette looks like, guys. These are all the colors. Baby, don't touch. These are all the colors of the lipstick. Pink, red. There is a darker red, deeper red, 2 shades of pink. These are nude colors. This is a very good orange type, and this is a burgundy type color. So this is the palette. And last but not the least, I got a blush on brush from Wet n Wild, I think so. Okay, this is a eyeshadow brush, not a blush on brush, from Wet n Wild. You can see this is from Wet n Wild. Okay guys, this was the Nykaa haul. I hope so you like this Nykaa haul, and I will give more hauls to you like this only if you like beauty products and if you are interested in beauty products. So keep watching my vlogs, and I will see you in my next vlog very soon. And hopefully if you like the vlog, please comment in the comment section below that you love these types of vlogs. I will do more for you guys, and I will see you next. Bye bye.